Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Xiaomi Redmi Note 12s. To do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Right here in the search, enter Microsoft Edge. When it's ready, you'll be able to open this browser and begin the setup. You can read through this introduction if you want to learn more features about this browser. I'm gonna skip it. Here, customize your homepage with a wallpaper, most visited sites, or a newsfeed. Then we can sign in to turn on synchronization between other devices. I'm gonna skip it with not now. Set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. Accept or disagree with data sharing preference and click on confirm. Here we can open any website, and as you can see, the browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.